Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how you can import different customized templates of your invoices, statements, bills, or estimates. So we will learn how to export these templates, and we will also learn how to import that in your new companies. So for example, you wanna forward your awesome templates created to some other friend of yours so that they can apply the same in their company. So it's very simple. You can simply export and then import that templates in QuickBooks. So for example, here in the create invoices, let's see this invoice template. So it looks like this. It has this format with this kind of background. So what we want to do is we want to export that template. So how can we do that? I'll go to list and click on templates, and here you can see the template name. So what you want to do is just note down the template name first. This is receipt mango space. So what I'll do now is I'll go to list and click on templates, and from here I'll find out the same name, and that is this. Just select that and move to the bottom where it says templates. Just click on the drop down, and here it says export. You can click here and save it anywhere you want. For example, for convenience, I'll save it to my desktop. Let's click save. Now, for example, the same template the other person is trying to import in the company, or you have created a new company and you want to import all of these templates in your new company. So how can we do that? I'll click on list again, go to templates, and from here I'll click again in the drop down and click on import, and here I'll choose the same one and click OK. It will be saved as whatever name comes with a copy of name. So what you want to do is you can edit the templates. You can click on the manage templates, and here you can click and change the name of let's say imported template space, and here is your new template name. Similarly, if you want to do it for bills or anything else, you can simply do that as well. Using the same method, you can import and export all of these templates like proposals, credit memos, sale receipt, estimates, sales order, invoice, and more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all QuickBooks tips and tricks. And if you want to join my full course or you want to get any QuickBooks services, you can contact on this number. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.